Please start the proceedings.
Private Limited. Since 1987, Abacus has pioneered the business transformation services industry in Pakistan. During their 32-year journey, they have evolved through a focus on building deep partnerships to widen their global reach. I would request Ms. Fatma Asad Said, CEO, Abacus Consulting Technology Private Limited, to please come forward.
Thank you very much. Excellency, she could not make it because she could not get a flight back home. So may I request Mr. Naveed Hussain to come forward and receive the recognition. Mr. Naveed, thank you very much. Next, please.
TechAbout Private Limited. TechAbout is an emerging IT company that originated in Spain in the year 2009 and started its operation across Pakistan in 2017. Within 2 years, it expanded its operations in the United States and is now laying its footprints in UAE. TechAbout is a proud official member of Forbes Technology Council. I would request Mr. Jazib Zaman, CEO TechAbout Private Limited, to please come forward.
Next, please.
Multinet Pakistan Private Limited. Multinet is a full-scale infrastructure and communication service provider in Pakistan. Multinet possesses a wealth of metro fiber, long-haul network, tower fiber, data centers, cloud platform, information security and global communication assets. Multinet Pakistan is a 12,000-kilometer long optical fiber network covering over 120 cities in Pakistan. I would request Mr. Adnan Hayat Zaidi, Chief Operating Officer, Multinet Pakistan Private Limited, to please come forward. DigiNatives SMC Private Limited. DigiNatives is an emerging tech-centric startup rooted in Lahore, Pakistan. Founded in 2021 with a long-term vision of cybersecurity to connect growth and innovation with value creation. DigiNatives help companies from all industry verticals to achieve their digitization vision by implementing new and innovative ideas into the most profitable and quality software solutions. I would request Mr. Kashif Suhail Abid, CEO, DigiNatives SMC Private Limited, to please come forward. Synergy MSP Private Limited. The advisory board includes both Synergy's internal employees and external influencers, each with more than a decade of experience in system and network administration, cybersecurity, and IT agriculture solutions. The company is well funded without outside investors, which gives the freedom to focus solely on the needs of their customers. I would request Mr. Sheikh Naveed Nizam, CEO, Synergy MSP Private Limited, to please come forward. Allzone Technologies is a leading software development services provider majorly focusing on staff augmentation, modernization, digitization and innovation. Allzone Technologies is proud to have expertise in various domains such as insurance, healthcare, e-commerce, learning management systems, real estate, CRM, sales and marketing, ERP, aviation and much more. I would request Mr. Mohammad Irshad, CEO Allzone Technologies, to please come forward. Cobuild Private Limited. Cobuild is one of Pakistan's leading business conglomerates. The group Cobuild was established in 1971 and is one of the largest business groups in UK, USA and Pakistan. Today, Cobuild manage and own companies that are industry leaders in their respective sectors all over the globe. Cobuild offers a range of IT-related services like web solutions, mobile app development, corporate email solutions, social media marketing, SEO, networking, surveillance and automation solutions. I would request Mr. Imad Malik, founder Cobuild Private Limited, to please come forward. ABFA Technologies Private Limited. Abdul Wahab Ahmed has 15 years of journey in e-commerce. He not only helped his company to grow but has also put efforts to spread the e-commerce awareness among the manufacturers, traders and the freelancers. I would request Mr. Abdul Wahab Ahmed, CEO ABFA Technologies Private Limited, to please come forward. Stars Private Limited. Stars Private Limited is a community welcoming people from different culture who believe passionately in the magnification of Pakistan's software export industry, enhancing the competitive advantage of Pakistan's software export industry among Asian countries by the tutelage and empirical edification of technical human resource through skill development and the delivery of persistent quality in IT services. I would request Mr. Shahriyar Amir Turab Ali, CEO, Stars Private Limited, to please come forward. Stars Pri- NJ Dynamic Solutions. NJ Dynamic Solutions, founded in 2004 and is one of the finest IT services provider in Sialkot, Pakistan, having satisfied customers with a complete technical and professional approach. In 2015, NJ Dynamic Solutions honored to become the first global service partner of Alibaba.com and started selling Alibaba.com services. I would request Mr. Daud Nazir, CEO NJ Dynamic Solutions, to please come forward. The resource management. For over 15 years, Mr. Faraz Haider has been a hands-on chief executive officer with expertise in business development, operations and innovation in the contact center industry. Mr. Faraz Haider established the company with an aim to empower the youth by creating a mindset that highlighted quality and integrity as the only way to success. I would request Mr. Faraz Haider, CEO, the resource management, to please come forward. Professional and IT Training Center. Hasibullah Khan is the founder of Professional and IT Training Center, Lahore. He has arranged more than 200 free of cost awareness sessions on IT for the general public, businesses and professionals. I would request Mr. Hasibullah Khan, CEO, Professional and IT Training Center, to please come forward. E-Comrades. Hafiz Muhammad Ahmed is the founder and CEO of E-Comrades, a leading e-commerce platform in Pakistan. He is an experienced entrepreneur, mentor and motivational speaker with a strong record of accomplishment in both academics and business. I would request Mr. Hafiz Ahmed, CEO, E-Comrades, to please come forward. Mahmood Pharmacy and IT Solutions Private Limited. Since 1956, Mahmood Pharmacy Online has pioneered in business transformation of a medical store into an online pharmacy of international standard. During these 67 years of journey, Mahmood Pharmacy Online has worked hard for becoming a pharmacy that fulfills the complete needs of a family and to expand the business globally. I would request Mr. Zain Maksood, Director, Mahmood Pharmacy, to please come forward. Solutions. Peak Solutions provides IT training, artificial intelligence, Android application development, web development, iOS application training, digital marketing, computerized accounting training, game development training, 3D modeling and gaming development. I would request Mr. Muhammad Mudassir Naeem, CEO, Peak Solutions, to please come forward. PNY Trainings was established in 2014 and started its journey as an IT training institution in order to promote skills-based trainings in the field of information technology, which enables the learner to equip themselves with professional skills. Having a strong public presence in Pakistan, PNY documented as the best IT training institute that is providing 100+ courses and becoming a leading institution in providing that facility. I would request Mr. Wahab Yunus, CEO, PNY Training, to please come forward.
Thank you very much, IT team. Honorable President of Pakistan Excellency, just I want to make a request. We want to present a special appreciation to Director General Trade Organization, Mr. Riaz Ahmed, for digitizing the office of DGTO in the larger interest of all the chambers in the country. Thank you very much. May now I request His Excellency President of Pakistan to present a shield to President Lahore Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Kashif Anwar. And for the Senior Vice President, Mr. Zafar Mahmood Chaudhary as well. And for the Vice President, Mr. Adnan Khalid Butt. And one for Mia Jabbar Khalid for his untiring efforts to make this event a big success. Thank you very much. May I request the President of Pakistan for his address. Please, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mohtaram Sadr, Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Kashif Anwar Sahab, Jabbar Khalid Sahab, Vice Presidents, Senior Vice Presidents, Office Bearers or members of Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, मेहमानान गिरामी ख़वातीन व हज़रात अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आप सबको खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ और मैं ये समझता हूँ, मुबारकबाद देता हूँ जिन इदारों को आपने शील्ड्स और अवार्ड्स दिए हैं और यकीनन इनकी मेहनत के ऊपर दिए हैं और उम्मीद ये की जाती है कि जब इनको अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे तो ये भी अपनी कोशिशें